Welcome to Hero Machines, where we bring you the fascinating world of wood handling, heavy machines, and practical methods that have stood the test of time. Today, we'll explore how timber is loaded, transported, and split into firewood, with techniques that combine strength, skill, and clever engineering. Whether you've spent a lifetime around wood or just enjoy watching the process, this journey shows how man and machine work together to tame nature's toughest materials. One of the most impressive sights in forestry is watching long pine logs being lifted and stacked onto a timber truck. The operator uses a hydraulic crane with a claw that grips multiple logs at once. With precise movements, the logs are swung from the ground and placed carefully onto the trailer. This is not just about brute force, it's about balance. The load has to be distributed evenly so the truck remains stable on winding forest roads. An uneven load could cause dangerous tipping or stress on the axles. The crane operator often adjusts each bundle of logs, like fitting pieces of a giant puzzle. For older generations, this work recalls the days when logs were rolled by hand or pulled with horses. Today, machines do the heavy lifting, but the principle remains the same: efficiency, safety, and respect for the material being transported. Once the logs reach their destination, they are cut into manageable lengths. But turning a thick round of hardwood into usable firewood takes another clever invention, the wood splitter. Here, we see a mechanical splitter powered by an electric motor. Instead of swinging an axe again and again, the machine pushes the log against a sharpened wedge. With steady pressure, even the toughest oak or birch cracks open cleanly. The design is simple yet powerful. A rotating screw or a hydraulic piston does the hard work. This saves time and spares the body from backbreaking labor. For many people, especially those with years of experience chopping wood, these machines represent a new way of working smarter, not harder. This splitter uses a spinning conical screw that bites into the end of the log. As it drills itself in, the wood fibers are forced apart until the log splits in two. It's a bit like twisting a wedge into the wood, but done automatically. Safety is important here. The operator must guide the log carefully and keep hands clear. Many modern versions include guards and two-hand controls to make operations safer. What's remarkable is how effective this method is. Even knotted or frozen logs yield under the steady turning screw. For folks who heat their homes with wood, this type of splitter can prepare an entire season's worth of firewood in a fraction of the time. Now we move to a heavy-duty, electrically powered splitter. This one uses a powerful hydraulic ram to drive logs into a steel wedge. Each push delivers tons of pressure, enough to handle massive rounds that would take multiple strikes with an axe. The advantage here is consistency. Every piece comes out cleanly split, ready for the wood pile. Operators can adjust the cycle speed, control the pressure, and work at a steady rhythm. This type of machine makes it possible for a single person to prepare wood for heating, cooking, or even selling as bundled firewood. For older viewers, this technology shows how innovation continues to improve traditional work. The strength once required from young arms is now supplied by engineering. Yet the satisfaction of seeing wood split and stacked remains timeless. From towering timber loaded with precision to powerful machines splitting logs into firewood, these methods remind us of the timeless bond between people and wood. Every cut, every split, carries a story of ingenuity, endurance, and respect for nature's gifts. Here on Hero Machines, we celebrate these processes not only for their efficiency, but for the tradition they carry forward. Whether you're heating a home, building something lasting, or simply enjoying the sight of machines at work, this craft continues to inspire. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more incredible journeys into the world of wood and machinery.